Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we have my boy Lou over here. If you guys don't know him, he goes by Blended Gray.
I think so.
Which, what are you gonna do when you get a car other than... Are you gonna go for a different name?
No.
Alright, he's always gonna be Blended Gray. We got Lou's M340i over here. This thing, honestly bro, I say this to you and I'll say it to you guys. I think the most tastefully done M340, I legit mean, bro.
I'm sweaty enough.
It's okay, I'm sweating too, bro. Bro, guys, it's hot today. We've drank like 2 gallons of water already. No, but legit, dude, like this thing is clean. I will never forget when I first saw it at the car show in like Long Island,
yeah.
the car meet, and like it just, I just loved it.
Over a year ago, man.
Bro, I think it was even like almost 2 years ago, no? No, but seriously, legit, beautiful car, beautiful spec, and then not just the spec, the things that you've done to it, the mods, it's all tasteful. It's just, we'll get into it. We'll get into it later, because you've done some stuff since the last time it's been on my channel.
I think so, actually. Yeah.
Definitely new wheels, and maybe a few other things. We'll run through it. We'll run through it. But for now, guys, you can tell we need to wash them because, yo, check this out. I've been getting roasted on YouTube for this. Look how bad this is, man. Unfortunately, we got like power lines right over here, so the birds just they go crazy on my car. And then all this, bro, the rain is horrible, man. I hate it. Yeah.
Rats, you know?
And then what about your car? Your car's pretty bad. Your car's not as bad as mine.
But it is bad.
Nah, mine is worse. Dang, mine is worse. Mine is way worse. By the way, it took us like a year to get all the cars situated in here. Because we got the 3 Series, we got the X5, obviously M340, G80. It was a challenge. Your car is low.
Yeah, my car's pretty low. We have
Bro,
to move like all the cars in order
we
to get
played
my car
Tetris to get your car in here. The G80 was fine. Bro, it kind of makes me nervous for when I lower my car now.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna scrape.
Yeah.
That's gonna scrape bad.
Yeah.
So take off.
No, never, never, never. It's too beautiful. Come on, look at that. Look at that beauty. Alright guys, so we just finished washing the cars. Beautiful M340i, G80 M3. It's very rare that my M3 is this clean. And don't laugh, but it is very true. Your car always looks good.
Black car problems.
But anyways, cars are looking good. It was actually a pretty quick wash for the M3. Didn't even wash the wheels. So bad. But it doesn't matter because this video isn't about the M3. It's about the M340i. So Lou, we've seen this car on the channel before.
Yeah.
But you've done some stuff. Just walk us through like quickly what it is, you know, anything new.
All right, so let's do a quick rundown. I'm joking. So yeah, this is my 2023 M340i. I've had it since November of 2022. If you guys are not familiar with the car, I'll just do a quick rundown. It has, let's start with the headlights. The yellow DRLs here in front.
Wait. I need to join the club. Come on, don't embarrass me right now. M3. There it goes. Bro, I love yellow DRLs. Especially on neutral colors like the black or the gray. It looks like I call this car toothless sometimes. From How to Train Your Dragon. Right? Doesn't it kind of fit? Keep on going. So you got yellow DRLs.
All right,
what
yellow
else?
DRLs, maxed in lip and side skirt. It's broken because lower life.
Yeah, you scraped a few times just trying to make it inside this. All right, so what we got going on in the rear?
All right, so in the rear, well, even it's sitting on some lovely BC Forge MLE 81s.
And these are new, right?
These are new.
I like them. Although I'm not gonna lie, I think I prefer the Apexes.
You know, you're not the only person who has told me this.
Yeah.
A lot of people prefer the Apexes.
These are sick. Don't get me wrong. And I love the gold. I think I actually commented on your video saying how much I like the gold with the calipers. Like that looks really cool, but I like the sporty athletic look of the Apexes. All right, so suspension, you have KWs.
KW V2 coilovers, keys, spoiler here.
Nice.
Exhaust, that's a full exhaust if you guys aren't aware, along with a catless downpipe. That's from OZ Motorsports or Oz Motorsports.
Yeah.
A wrapped roof. Carbon fiber steering wheels. The car is a mess, but you know.
It's all right. We don't judge. You should see my cars.
Carbon fiber steering wheel there.
Yeah, it looks sick. I like the Alcantara and carbon.
Alcantara. Yeah, I don't really like the shift steering wheel. That's not the thing for me.
Yeah, same.
And I just installed the Armor Speed intake.
That's sick, dude. What?
Yeah, so
that looks crazy.
I have the extra bolt in the car, so if anybody's like, yeah, it's missing a screw,
It's
in the car.
Who cares? Yeah, this thing is crazy, dude.
So that's the intake.
Is this full? Okay, so I see this is, so it's just this part that's carbon.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have another one where you can get the whole carbon here.
Nah, that's
but
overkill.
That's an additional cost, and I'm not somebody
Nope,
who's like
doesn't
big.
matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't matter. This is great how it is.
And
All
then
right.
active charge pipe.
Charge. Do you really need a charge pipe on the B58?
No, not necessarily.
It's just better, like better safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry. If you're gonna be
Down
somebody
pipe, right?
eventually, yeah. If you're gonna be somebody eventually who's probably gonna push power, probably change it out. But
Yeah.
from what I understand, these charge pipes can hold.
Do you plan? Oh, I hit my mic. Do you plan to push power like that out of this car?
You know, it's tricky. It's tricky because you can only do so much. The transmission will, you know, you hit 600.
Do you feel like you need that much power though?
No, you can't use it on the street.
Yeah, like
it's not usable on the street, which is why most people do the downpipe tune.
I'm not a speed guy, man. I've learned, like, I'm just not a speed guy.
Listen.
Like, people are just like, do this and do that, especially with the G80. I'm like, yo, this car is plenty fast the way that is.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I need more power.
Like if I had a G80,
would be perfect.
I'm not tuning it. Oh yeah, and this has a DME tune.
You do have a DME tune.
I have a DME tune.
So stage 2.
So it's stage 2.
Stage 2. That's right, because the downpipe.
Yeah,
I forgot. You
it's-
just told me, and I already forgot.
No, that's all right.
That's how stupid I am.
It's so it's a DMA flash tune. Through a DME tuning.
Yeah.
Probably not probably in the future. I am gonna switch
It's
over
so
to boot
beautiful
mod,
though.
and probably I don't know, right? I think I'll get tuned by Doug Newton.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means.
A lot of people
guys,
don't.
I'm not a speed guy. All these people are like, I got tuned by this person. I got tuned by. Guys, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just getting older. I don't know. But otherwise, I mean, I like the performance of these cars.
Yes.
I have driven this car. It feels really good. It sounds
Oh, you want me to
pretty.
turn it on?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get some revs. Not too much because I don't want my neighbors to hate me. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yep, she's loud. She's loud. All right, so you said you got full exhaust, right?
Full exhaust.
So no resonators. You have catless downpipe.
Correct. But
Yeah, it's stupid loud.
yeah,
man.
it's loud. It's
Like honestly, I did not expect it to be. I don't remember it being that loud. No, it sounds sick. It looks sick. Like the color is beautiful. It's just even just like without all the mods, it's such a beautiful car. I said this before. I'll say it again. Cleanest M340 I've seen. Like legit. I'm not saying that just because Lou's my friend. I'm not biased, so I am biased, but it's still disregarding the bias. I mean, guys, come on. Like this thing just looks so. It looks so good. All right. Well, I appreciate you taking the time. If you guys aren't already, go subscribe to Lou. We're trying to get him to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes,
and also, we're trying to
please.
get him to upload more because the dude kills it on YouTube and he just doesn't upload videos. I don't know why. But yeah, go subscribe to him. I'll leave his channel linked down in the description below. If I forget, it's called Blended Gray because I do that all the time. I always
Blended
say-
Gray on YouTube and Blended Gray on Instagram as well. I think that's all I have, right?
Yeah. That's more than what I have. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please drop it a like. Go check out Lou. And with that said, this video's pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
All mine if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen